What are you trying to pull up and bump us for?
I didn't try to pull up and bump you.
Did you not just pull up?
Bro.
Today with Alex. You guys remember him? Yeah, the Harley guy. Anyway, today we got him on the Triumph. I don't know why, but we do. Once again, we don't really have much to do. Nothing on the agenda. I think he's got to run a little bit of errands. And I'm just going to kind of tag along, see where he goes, right? Yeah. Best kind of video, right? See what happens. See what happens. Just go. You know what? Before I agreed to ride with this dude, I should have asked what kind of errands he's running. I'm flying blind here, guys. I'm flying blind. I have no clue where we're going. Chevron, yo. Alex, you said you want to run some errands. What are we doing?
Gotta go to the post office, about 15 days late on rent.
So. You're 15 days late on paying your rent?
You're fucking on vacation.
Aren't you worried when you get back to Idaho your shit's gonna be in a box in the front yard?
No, I already talked to the landlord. He said just don't let it happen again.
We gotta go to a bank and to the post office?
If we go to Albertsons or Ralph's, then I gotta go to the bank. If we go to the post office, then I don't have to.
All right, so what are we doing?
To the post office.
You want to do, okay, post office. And then what? What are we going to eat?
Whatever.
Whatever. What don't they have in Idaho that we didn't get the other day? They have pizza in Idaho?
Yeah, they got good pizza.
I don't want pizza. It's a good looking car. All right. Like I want me to ride a wheelie. I would have, dude, but the police station's right there. Sorry, dude. I don't know if you watch these videos or not, but I really wanted to ride a wheelie for you. I like riding with Alex. He kind of understands my mannerisms when I'm riding, right? I don't have like turn signals or anything on this bike, really, so the people I ride with, after a while, start to understand how I ride. If they see me sitting a certain way or looking a certain way, they know I'm probably going to act a certain way, and everybody just kind of gets it. It's called chemistry, right? Like if you play in a band and you've got good chemistry with your guitarist and you're a drummer, you just kind of look at each other and you know what to do next. You know what's going to happen. Food-wise, I'm still not quite sure what we're going to do. You know what's crazy? Yeah, smart. I'm dumb. Where is the post office? Oh, here's the post office.
One eternity later.
All right, so what happened, Alex?
Bank's a pile of shit. That's how you keep your money in your couch.
Why don't you just like Venmo him money?
He's like, I think he's like 70. And most people don't have Venmo.
Does he have a PayPal account?
No, capital S.
We're going to Capital S?
Schools first.
Schools first bank. All right. My perfect day would be for that Prius to back up into that other Prius. That would have been a great day. Haircut's $10. Can't get anything for $10 these days. Guys should be able to get haircuts for like $10. What the hell? We get off the freeway, just get back on it? Out of my way, Prius. Dangerous. No, I revved it at that guy, dude. He like didn't give me the right of way. Damn, dude. And borrow some cheddar.
Rent's due, son.
How much is that?
$885.
880.
Idaho rent. That's not even a quarter of what you pay. Post office right on the other side.
All right, to the post office.
Yeah, to the post.
Aaron's with Alex. Oh, I know why post offices are so busy today. It's tax day. Let me give you a camera, Alex. Do something crazy. Dude, I want Boston Market, right? Sometimes you just need the market.
Return receipt card for your taxes. You need to track your taxes. You want this. You need to fill this out and get. You have to go back in front of the line.
Can I get a money order, please?
For how much?
Yeah, $885.
Say it again.
$885.
885.
Can I use that pen for the address?
You have to go over there, and we have pens over there. Okay, that's 80, 120.
What do you want to eat, man?
I don't really care. You're the one that likes to eat. I just like to ride.
Okay. You like Boston Market?
I've only been there that one time.
Let's go to Boston Market. Boston Market it is. Epic Wings. I know a guy that works there. He rides dirt bikes. Jake. You're gonna get run over. What's that?
I said, I ride too. You shouldn't get in front of me like that, bro.
What are you trying to pull up and bump us for?
I didn't try to pull up and bump you.
Did you not just pull up?
Bro, my foot slipped a little. I did not try.
All right, I'm with you.
I ride, bro. Trust me.
All right, it just looked a little suspect.
I crotch rockets too, so.
Looked a little suspect.
You, bro.
All right. Do you see what that guy did?
I saw he got closer, but I didn't see him do it.
He rolled up on you like he was going to bump you.
Yeah.
And I looked, I saw it, I had something to say, and then he denied, oh, my foot slipped off the pedal. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know if the camera picked it up or not, but that dude, we got in front of him, there was ample room, but that guy was just kind of being a dick. I don't know, maybe trying to show off in front of his chick. I'm not a big road rage guy. In fact, I'm not a road rage guy at all. We all make mistakes when we're out riding and driving, so it's weird for me to call somebody out like that, but that was a little too much for me. I didn't like that. And that guy knew what was up too, or he would have defended himself a little bit better. I ride too. Oh, here it is, Boston Market. Yeah, I've been to this one. It's a good one. What'd you think of the market of Boston?
It was pretty good. I haven't had Boston Market in quite a while.
It's hard to go wrong. Turkey gravy, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese.
Home style meal.
My wife still hates it. She hates this place. This Boston Market has a drive-through. I like it. I don't want to be behind a Prius. Aw. Oh, he's good at that. He is good at that. Alright, well, I think that's about it for today. So, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. It really helps me out if you guys share these videos with your friends and family. Let the world know what they might be missing out on. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Big shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I love all you guys. The support is tremendous, and it makes me feel warm and gooey inside. Let's not forget the channel partners. Remember, guys, these guys can market their businesses any way they want, and they choose to spend their hard-earned dollars supporting Suburban Delinquent. We got Voss Helmets, Chaparral Moto, law offices of Henry Haddad, and LUIMOTO. Oh, you want to go? All right. I'm gonna win. He didn't even race. He trolled me. I knew he'd troll me. Can't troll a troll, yo. I didn't think he was gonna race.